Pledge is a testament to our commitment and values. It binds us as a community and reminding us of duties and responsibilities. Let's stand tall, united in our voice and spirit as we recite the pledge. So let me call upon GR sir for his pledge.
India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperities alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
News. Now it's news time to update ourselves with the latest news to find our place in the contemporary world. So let me call upon K. Nanda for international and national news.
Happy morning, everyone. I am K. Nanda of Grade-VIII Topaz. Today's international and national news. National news. India EU discuss efforts to accelerate FTA talks. International news. Ukraine ready to sign minerals deal with US. Zelensky. Thank you.
K. Vishnu for the state and sport news.
Happy morning to everyone. Today, sports and state and sport news are brought to you by Vishnu of Grade-VIII Topaz. State news. University of Hyderabad appointed a new finance officer. Sport news. India versus New Zealand. India won by 44 runs. Thank you.
Thought of the day. Good thought is something that which we can apply in our daily life to renew ourselves in a better way. So let me call upon Kaushik to say thought of the day.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Grandmother of Grade-VIII Topaz. Thought: success only comes to those who hard for it. I'll repeat it again. Success only comes to those who work hard for it. Thank you.
New word. Let us make our English easy and charming by the daily word. So let me call upon Kaushik to have a word of the day.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Kaushik of Grade-VIII Topaz. Word: flump. It spells as FLUMP. It means to plump down suddenly or heavily. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Tough competition will no matter how make us strong and better. Let us scratch our brain. Let us scratch our brain to answer the GK questions. Let me call upon Rakesh to have GK questions.
Happy morning, everyone. Today GK questions are brought to you by B. Rakesh of Grade-VIII Topaz. Question for Grade 6. In India, who is the Supreme Commander of Armed Force? I'll repeat again. In India, who is the Supreme Commander of Armed Force? You did not pick the right answer, and the answer is President. Question for Grade 7. Which bird is called helicopter of nature? I'll repeat again. You did not pick the right answer, and the answer is hummingbird. Question for Grade 8. Who is called father of Indian Railways? I'll repeat again. Who is called as father of Indian Railways? You did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Lord Dalhousie. Question for Grade 9. Where is called Padma River in Bangladesh? I repeat again. Which river is called Padma River in Bangladesh? You did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Ganga. Open questions to all. How much the length of Kapadi court in in men? You pick the right answer, and the answer is 13. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. Myself, Vijaya from Grade-VIII Topaz. Today, I am going to give a speech on mathematics. Mathematics is just not a subject; it is an universe language. It helps us in analytic and reasoning skills. The reasoning skill is an ability to think logically in every situation we face. Analytic and reasoning skills are very essential to solve problems and in to look for a solution. And mathematics is everywhere around us, to the nature pattern in nature to the technology we use. Thank you.
Speech on science. So let me call upon Kirtana sister to deliver her speech.
Happy morning, everyone. I'm Kirtana from Grade-VIII Topaz, here to give a speech on a brave soldier, that is Vikram Batra. Vikram Batra was born on 9th September 1974 in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh, to Girjan Batra and Kamal Kanta Batra. He studied in DAV College. Then later he joined in Indian Military Academy at the age of 22 in 1996. Then he became captain at the age of 25. He involved in Kargil War as captain. Sadly, he sacrificed himself for India. For this act, he was also known as Sher Shah of Kargil. He was died on 7 July 1999. After this, for his brave act, he was awarded with Paramveer Chakra, which was the highest military award. Thank you.
Success does not come by itself. It needs motivation and inspiration. So let me call upon Vasudha sister to deliver her speech.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Vaza of Grade-VIII Topaz. Now I am here to give a speech on the value of time. I am going to say a small story. A boy who had no aim in his life. He always wasted his time in wrong things. One day, his father thought to teach a lesson that he could not forget the lesson from his life. An old farmer lived in a village. There was a big problem in his life. The problem was only his son useless. He never obeyed his father, and he roamed around with his friends. One day, he called his son. Son, I have an expensive watch in the cupboard. Go and take it out from the cupboard and bring it to me. He goes to the table and take it out from the cupboard and father said, son, go to the market and find out its price in the market. The son takes the watch and goes towards the market. He asks at many places what is the price of time. What is the price of watch? Someone said the price of the watch is $20. Someone said $50. Someone said $100. At evening, he returns to his home and said to his father, Father, someone said the value of watch is $20 and someone said $50 and someone said $100. Next, he put the watch on the table and he go to his bed. And next morning, again farmer called his son and said, again take the watch inside, which is present inside the table, and bring it to me. The son take out the watch from the cupboard. Now the farmer said, now go to the market and find out what is the value of time. The son did not understand what his father wanted to say. But with sad face, he went to the market and he asked some people what is the value of time. But people started laughing at him and calling him a stranger and also mad. He did not understand what is happening with me. Lastly, he decided to go to home, and while coming, there was a big businessman house. He wanted to ask again to him what is the value of time. He went fearfully to to businessman and asked, "What is the sir? What is the value of time?" The businessman started staring at him, and uh, he said to this boy, "Boy, there is a what there is a price of watch, but the value of time is more valuable than money, because money. If you lose money, money can return back, but if you lose time, it cannot come back at 1 second also." Now he understood what his father wanted to say. Lastly, he came to home with tears in his eyes. Now the boy understood what is the value of time. Now onwards, the boy uh, life is changed. Now the boy understood the value of time. Now, friends, now you also understood what is the value of time. Now I want to end my speech with a quotation. Don't waste time. If you waste time, one day time will waste you. Thank you.